Welcome to my CreditStrong Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. CreditStrong is a credit building platform designed for individuals who want to improve their credit scores, particularly those who have limited or no credit history. This tool is ideal for people who may have struggled to establish or maintain a good credit score and are looking for a structured way to boost their credit profile over time. It offers a unique approach through installment loans, which are reported to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The core feature of CreditStrong is its Credit Builder loan. Upon signing up, you select a loan amount and repayment term, and the money is placed into a secure savings account. You make monthly payments on the loan, but instead of accessing the loan funds, they're held by CreditStrong. These payments are reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build a positive payment history, which directly impacts your credit score. The platform offers flexible options for loan amounts and terms, making it accessible to a wide range of users with varying financial situations. What sets CreditStrong apart from other credit building tools is its transparency and affordability. It clearly outlines all the fees involved, so there are no hidden costs, and it provides regular updates on how your payments are affecting your credit score. Additionally, the platform allows users to track their progress, offering insights into their credit score and how long it will take to achieve their financial goals. For those with more established credit, CreditStrong also offers a variety of higher-tier loans designed to further accelerate credit improvement. In conclusion, CreditStrong is a great tool for anyone looking to build or improve their credit score through a structured, reliable, and transparent process. Its unique Credit Builder loan is a powerful feature that offers long-term credit building benefits. If you're serious about improving your credit score, CreditStrong is an excellent tool to consider. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started today.